Depression. What is depression? While searching on Google what depression exactly means, I come across with this definition. Depression is a common and a serious medical illness that negatively affects how you feel, the way you think, and how you act. Depression causes feeling of sadness or loss of interest in activities you once enjoyed. This may be true for me, I don't know. After watching the thumbnail, you came here to see what kind of depression do IITians and NITians really feel. Hello guys, I am Prasenjit Krapse from VNIT Nagpur. I will tell you how I was depressed from last 3 days. So, what do depression really mean for me and how do I deal with this depression? So, let's start with it. Beginning with what do depression really mean for me is that the feeling of doing nothing, just sitting and scrolling random pics on Instagram, lying on the bed and watching useless videos on YouTube, playing useless games. Watching these bullshits eats my 5 to 6 hours daily, destroying my further confidence and destroys my whole day. The worst part of this is that when I go to bed for sleep at night and think about my whole day and planning for the next day. Today I successfully wasted my whole day and watching these shits. Blaming and scolding myself about this. When did I sleep? I don't know. Waking up in the morning and found myself doing the same thing which I done yesterday is a very bad feeling for me. But let us discuss how do I deal with these situations. As I discussed before, I was facing with this situation from 2 days. I was doing nothing and watching some useless random videos on YouTube. But today, I took a small step. I write one small task on page and in anyhow I need to complete it. So what the task is? The task is the making of this video by today itself. So, moral of the story is that during this situation, try to take small tasks and complete it. After completing this small task, you will feeling confident and be motivated for the new task. I hope you learned something from this video. That's it for this video. Till then, be healthy, be safe and goodbye.